Deep within the silent abyss of the cosmos, beyond the reach of our most powerful observatories, lies something incomprehensible, a region where light itself seems to falter. Astronomers have named it the Great Attractor, yet no one truly knows what it is. Even now, it pulls entire clusters of galaxies toward its unseen heart, like moths drawn to a devouring flame. Our Milky Way, along with thousands of other galaxies, is hurtling through the void at unimaginable speeds, 2 million kilometers per hour. Yet this motion isn't random. It's guided, compelled, perhaps even commanded. There is an invisible hand in the darkness, pulling all creation into a convergence whose nature defies human comprehension. From Earth, we cannot look directly into the region of the Great Attractor. It sits behind the dense plane of our own galaxy, shrouded by thick dust and blinding starlight. The cosmic curtain hides a truth we fear to reveal, a gravitational anomaly that threatens to rewrite everything we know about the universe's architecture. In the 1970s, astronomers discovered that every galaxy near ours was moving toward a single cosmic region. No explosion or collision could explain it. Instead, something with enormous gravity, far surpassing any supercluster, was dragging them inward. Its mass remained uncharted, its form undefined, its purpose unfathomable. Measurements from cosmic microwave background studies confirmed the pull. Our local group of galaxies isn't drifting aimlessly, it's falling. The Great Attractor's influence stretches across hundreds of millions of light-years, bending the fabric of spacetime itself into a gravitational whirlpool, a cosmic drain swallowing existence. When astronomers traced our galaxy's path, they found acceleration toward a cluster named Norma. Yet even Norma seemed subservient to a greater mass beyond. Something vast and invisible lurked behind it, an entity of matter or perhaps something stranger, devouring everything in gravitational silence. Data from radio telescopes pierced the dusty veil, revealing swarms of hidden galaxies veiled by our Milky Way. But even with these revelations, the core remained unseen. The stronger the instruments, the darker the answers became. The cosmos was not empty, it was watching, luring, pulling us closer. Some cosmologists suggest dark matter forms the heart of the Great Attractor. Invisible, undetectable, yet exerting its presence through pure gravity. Perhaps we are witnessing the shape of dark matter itself, not as a passive particle cloud, but as a conscious gravitational predator waiting in eternal suspension. Others go further, whispering theories of collapsed megastructures or ancient void-borne objects predating galaxies themselves. What if the Great Attractor is not a place, but a wound in the universe, an open scar through which reality itself leaks into the endless dark? Its influence may be the whisper of something beyond spacetime. To comprehend the sheer scale, imagine entire cosmic superclusters, each containing thousands of galaxies, pouring into the same direction like debris sucked toward a cosmic drain. Gravity alone cannot fully explain this organization. Something orchestrates it, the universe's quiet conductor, summoning matter into its depthless maw. The edge of visibility, the shape of the cosmos bends subtly. Space is not static, it flows. Every atom inside us, every star we see, drifts downstream toward the unknown. The Great Attractor's hand is on us, our entire galaxy gliding unknowingly toward an inevitable reckoning. Even light cannot escape its persuasion. Photons bend, cosmic microwave patterns distort, the background itself shifts. We are seeing the fingerprints of something massive enough to warp the universe's skeleton, yet subtle enough to remain invisible. This is not gravitational drift, it's cosmic manipulation. The human mind was never meant to grasp such scales. Our origin stories crumble when measured against forces that rule galaxies like playthings. The Great Attractor exposes a cold truth: we are not traveling through space, we are being delivered somewhere. The closer scientists studied, the stranger the data became. Velocities conflicted, gravitational gradients refused prediction. The numbers murmured corruption into the equations, as though mathematics itself began to fail near its vicinity. The unknown infects even logic. In hushed conferences, some cosmologists entertain ideas of a multiversal tear, a gateway where universes collide and merge. Could the Great Attractor be the mouth of such a wound, pulling matter not into another place, but into another law of physics altogether? Imagery from deep field surveys shows galaxies elongating slightly as if being stretched. The warping is delicate but real, as though space itself is drawing breath before a scream. Every glimpse reinforces the notion that we are caught in something alive, restless, and infinitely patient. Dark energy resists the Great Attractor's pull, expanding the universe outward. Yet the equilibrium seems off, gravity wins here. For every light year that expands, more mass succumbs. The cosmic tug-of-war may end not in expansion, but collapse, into the maw holding court over galaxy after galaxy. When the Chandra X-ray Observatory mapped the region, seething plumes of plasma appeared, like veins of heat coursing through a cosmic organism. These weren't random. They pulsed with alignment, perhaps signaling a structure we cannot yet name, perhaps the heartbeat of the Great Attractor itself. Whispers emerged of an even greater gravitational presence behind the Great Attractor, a shadow upon the shadow. Astronomers named it the Shapley Supercluster, and it dwarfs everything before it. The Great Attractor, some now believe, may merely be the first tremor of a far larger monstrosity consuming the universe. What disturbs scientists most is the direction of motion. We are not heading away from the Big Bang's origin, but sideways, into the unknown. The arrow of time, the shape of causality, bends subtly towards something hidden beyond cosmic dust, something we are already falling into. Spectral data from hundreds of thousands of galaxies confirm the same flow, a synchronized drift toward darkness. It's a choreographed migration, not random chaos. If nature loves symmetry, perhaps this is its ultimate form, creation collapsing into itself. Imagine standing on a desolate planet, watching your sky shift across eons, constellations dragging toward a single vanishing point. That is our real cosmic motion. Every second we breathe, space itself subtly angles our future toward that invisible convergence beyond calculation. We measure billions of light years, yet our ignorance remains the same. Instruments only tell us what light reveals, but the Great Attractor is defined by what light cannot show. Its darkness is not emptiness, it's concealment. Some physicists dream that understanding this pull might lead to answers about the universe's destiny. However, a darker possibility whispers beneath that hope, that the Great Attractor isn't leading us to answers, but to erasure. To an end where even knowledge itself unravels. Our galaxy will arrive there eventually, perhaps in billions of years. Long before that, civilizations will rise and vanish, never realizing their stars are swimming toward an unknowable fate. The Great Attractor will consume without malice, without purpose, only inevitability. Beyond poetic horror lies data that refuses comfort. The gravitational map of the observable universe reveals a pattern resembling veins feeding into a singular point. Like blood to a heart. The cosmos may not be a void after all, it may be alive. Dark energy surveys continue to refine our view, peeling back what lies between us and the Great Attractor. Yet the closer we approach, the greater the distortion grows, as if awareness itself offends it. Some mysteries do not reveal, they defend themselves. The horror is not in its size, but its indifference. It doesn't hunt, it draws everything equally, both human dreams and interstellar dust. It teaches a lesson older than stars, that gravity, like fate, never compromises. We often say the universe expands forever, but this region contradicts the very semantics of forever. Gravity here is predatory, conscious or not. It's willing to halt expansion, to bend cosmic law toward appetite. The Great Attractor does not roar nor glow. It waits. Like a god buried beneath ancient time, its influence seeps into our coordinates, redirecting our destiny beyond our understanding. If our universe were a living entity, the Great Attractor might be its heart, or its tumor. Either way, its pulse defines our trajectory, our path through eternity. To know it might mean to vanish toward it. Silence fills the distance between its reach and our awareness. Each measurement only brings another question. The Great Attractor consumes not through violence but inevitability, an unending whisper echoing across the observable universe. Perhaps the Great Attractor is not a destination but a cycle, a place where universes are undone and rewritten. When expansion ends, gravity reigns, and in that reign lies rebirth. What pulls us now may have pulled countless universes before. As we look deeper, we realize this force connects us to everything. Every atom, every photon, shares this pull. It is the soundless rhythm of existence, drawing us all toward the beginning that pretends to be the end. And so, we drift, unsuspecting, unprepared, doomed to approach at the speed of fate. There is no escape, no negotiation. The Great Attractor calls, and the universe obeys. For now, we observe from afar, recording the cosmic symphony of collapse. But each discovery, each image, each measurement brings us closer to confession, that the thing pulling us may not be outside us at all, but within. The Great Attractor may not dwell in space, but in destiny.